Good afternoon, Elite owners. My name is Patrick. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the sound settings on your 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC300. In order to adjust your sound quality, all you'll have to do is simply be in either radio or media. Grab the center control wheel, pull that towards the back seat, and bring up this bar down here at the bottom. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to highlight the music note here. We're going to press down on that control wheel again. Now that'll let you have options as far as turning on or off the surround sound. You can adjust your equalizer there, which will let you change the treble, midtones, or the bass. And you can also adjust your balance and fader. And just like that, you're able to adjust your sound quality in your 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC300.